OpenAI's recent introduction of projects in ChatGPT addresses a growing need for improved organization of files and discussions within the platform. This new feature is designed to enhance user experience by allowing a more structured approach to managing information, making it easier for users to keep track of their conversations and related documents. The functionality bears a striking resemblance to Google's well-known NotebookLM application, which also focuses on organizing notes and discussions in a cohesive manner. On the 6th day of its 12 Days of OpenAI livestream, the organization unveiled projects in ChatGPT, showcasing its commitment to enhancing user productivity and collaboration. This innovative feature empowers users to create folders, enabling them to categorize and store conversations and documents systematically. By combining these features into a single interface, projects in ChatGPT streamlines the process of accessing and managing information, ultimately fostering a more efficient workflow. With projects, users can easily navigate through their various discussions and files, ensuring that important information is readily accessible when needed. This capability not only enhances individual productivity, but also facilitates collaboration among teams, as users can share organized projects and relevant documents seamlessly. As the demand for effective digital organization continues to grow, OpenAI's projects feature represents a significant step forward in providing users with the tools they need to manage their work more efficiently within the ChatGPT platform. However, to fully understand this, let's take a few moments to analyze what this project is all about. The project is specifically designed for subscribers of ChatGPT Plus, Pro, and Teams. This innovative addition allows users to organize and manage their interactions more effectively, enhancing the overall experience of using the ChatGPT platform. However, users subscribed to ChatGPT Enterprise and Edu will have to wait until January to access this functionality, as OpenAI aims to ensure a smooth rollout for all its user tiers. The organization has made it clear that it is committed to eventually making projects available to all users, indicating a future where everyone can benefit from this new tool. Access to the projects feature is conveniently available through multiple platforms, including the ChatGPT website and the Windows desktop application. Additionally, users of the mobile app and macOS desktop app can view projects, ensuring that the functionality is accessible across various devices and operating systems. This cross-platform availability reflects OpenAI's dedication to providing a seamless user experience. In terms of functionality, Project shares some similarities with Google's NotebookLM, which is primarily geared toward research purposes. While both features aim to enhance user productivity and organization, there are notable differences. For instance, NotebookLM includes an audio overview feature that offers podcast-style narration, allowing users to consume information in an auditory format. In contrast, the project's feature on ChatGPT does not incorporate this audio capability. However, users engaging with projects can still take advantage of a variety of other functionalities within their conversations. These include voice mode, which allows for hands-free interaction, web search capabilities for retrieving information in real time, and Canvas, a tool for visualizing ideas and concepts. Since projects features have been likened to that of NotebookLM, it'll add more to our understanding if we check out the features of NotebookLM. NotebookLM gained significant popularity, leading several businesses to adopt the application for purposes beyond research. Its capability to systematically organize files and information related to specific topics has facilitated its use in tasks akin to customer relationship management. As organizations began to explore the full potential of NotebookLM, they discovered that its intuitive interface and robust organizational features made it an ideal tool for managing customer interactions and data. By allowing users to categorize and tag information related to clients, sales leads, and ongoing projects, NotebookLM streamlined the process of tracking customer relationships and engagement history. Moreover, the application's ability to integrate with other software systems further enhanced its utility. Businesses could easily import data from existing CRM platforms, ensuring a seamless transition and enabling teams to leverage historical information while utilizing NotebookLM's advanced organizational capabilities. This integration not only improved efficiency, but also provided a comprehensive view of customer interactions, allowing teams to tailor their approaches based on detailed insights. Additionally, NotebookLM's collaborative features encouraged teamwork and communication among employees. Teams could share notes, updates, and relevant documents in real time, fostering a more cohesive work environment. This collaborative aspect proved particularly beneficial for sales and marketing teams, who could work together to develop targeted strategies based on the organized data available within the application. Furthermore, the application's search functionality allowed users to quickly locate specific information, reducing the time spent sifting through files and enhancing productivity. This efficiency was especially valuable in fast-paced business environments where timely access to information can significantly impact decision-making and customer satisfaction. As a result of these advantages, many businesses began to view NotebookLM not just as a research tool, but as a vital component of their operational strategy. Its versatility in managing information and facilitating communication made it an indispensable asset for organizations looking to improve their customer relationship management processes and overall productivity. The growing adoption of NotebookLM across various industries underscored its effectiveness in transforming how businesses handle information and engage with their customers. Now, let's explore how you can use ChatGPT projects. Projects will be conveniently accessible in the sidebar of ChatGPT, streamlining the user experience and enhancing project management capabilities. To kick off a new project, users can simply click the plus icon, which serves as a gateway to project creation. Once initiated, users are prompted to assign a unique name to their project, allowing for easy identification and organization. Additionally, they can personalize the project's visual identity by selecting a color scheme that resonates with their preferences or aligns with the project's theme. A standout feature of projects is the ability to customize responses through tailored instructions. For example, a project manager embarking on a website development initiative can clearly define the project's goals and the specific purpose of the website. They can also instruct ChatGPT to prioritize the use of ChatGPT's canvas for coding tasks, ensuring that the responses are aligned with the technical requirements and creative vision of the project. Moreover, users have the flexibility to upload relevant documents that will enrich the website's content. Projects are designed to intelligently extract information from these uploaded files, as well as from related chat conversations, creating a comprehensive knowledge base that informs the project's development. This integration of resources ensures that all pertinent information is readily available, facilitating a more efficient workflow. In addition to uploading documents, users can also transfer existing discussions from ChatGPT into a project. This feature allows previous conversations to serve as valuable data references, ensuring that insights and ideas generated in earlier chats can be seamlessly integrated into the current project. Looking ahead, OpenAI has ambitious plans to expand the functionality of projects. In the upcoming year, the company intends to broaden the range of file types supported, enhancing the versatility of the platform. Furthermore, integrations with popular cloud storage services like Google Drive and Microsoft OneDrive are on the horizon, enabling users to easily access and incorporate files stored in these platforms into their projects. Additionally, OpenAI plans to empower users with the ability to switch between different models within projects. This flexibility will allow users to select the most suitable model for their specific needs, optimizing the performance and relevance of the responses generated by ChatGPT. These enhancements aim to create a more robust and user-friendly project management experience within ChatGPT, catering to a diverse array of user requirements and preferences. The trend towards developing all-in-one platforms is becoming increasingly prominent among tech companies, particularly those like OpenAI and Anthropic. This shift reflects a strategic desire to keep users engaged within their ecosystems, allowing them to perform a variety of tasks without needing to switch between different applications or services. By creating integrated solutions, these companies aim to enhance user experience and streamline workflows, ultimately fostering greater user loyalty. In October, OpenAI made a significant move by launching Canvas, a versatile tool designed to enhance the functionality of ChatGPT. This tool allows users to create and modify text or code directly within the ChatGPT interface, effectively removing the cumbersome process of copying and pasting between different applications. The recent expansion of Canvas's accessibility further underscores OpenAI's commitment to making this tool widely available, thereby encouraging users to leverage its capabilities for a range of tasks, from coding to content creation. On a parallel track, Anthropic has introduced Claude Artifacts, which offers similar functionalities to Canvas, but with additional features. Notably, Claude Artifacts allows users to display website prototypes, thereby catering to designers and developers who require a seamless way to visualize their projects. This capability not only enhances the user experience, but also positions Anthropic as a competitive player in the all-in-one platform space. OpenAI's Projects feature within ChatGPT is a revolutionary addition that exemplifies the company's commitment to streamlining and enhancing user experience. By integrating various functionalities into one seamless interface, OpenAI has created a platform that empowers users to efficiently organize their work and foster collaboration with others. With this innovative feature, users no longer have to disrupt their workflow by navigating to separate tools or platforms, as everything they need is conveniently accessible within the main chat environment. This combination of tools not only simplifies the user experience, but also promotes productivity and seamless communication among team members. The Projects feature truly exemplifies OpenAI's dedication to providing cutting-edge solutions that cater to the evolving needs of its users. By integrating project management tools directly into ChatGPT, OpenAI is effectively creating a more holistic workspace that encourages productivity and collaboration. In contrast, Google's NotebookLM operates as a separate application, utilizing an experimental version of Gemini 2.0 Flash to facilitate interactions with the Gemini chatbot. This separation from Google's other offerings, including its coding tools, highlights a different approach to user engagement. While NotebookLM provides unique functionalities, its distinct application model may not offer the same level of integration and convenience that users find in OpenAI and Anthropic's platforms. If you've made it this far, let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.